So we were told to evacuate, so I decided to go at least 75 miles out, which I decided to come here. And unfortunately, here's where all the bad rain bands were in the storm. And I'm in a conundrum. I'm in a hotel here at Days End, and it's flooding out. And I'm trying to figure out on my Google Maps, trying to get out of here, because I don't know what's worse, to be in your car or to be in a flooded hotel, because we have no power and no internet. We've had over, what, 18 inches of rain. So we have more rain than anybody in North Carolina right here, you know. So, hey, you know, you deal with it. That's what you do, you know.